right. I would like to show you a new routine that I'm working on. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I have one coin here. Okay, so I got one here. Watch, there's two Chinese coins. Now, watch very carefully. I'm going to take the third one. The third one is right over here. Actually, it's over here. It's 1, 2, and 3. So I have 3 Chinese coins. Now watch very carefully. Okay, I take one Chinese coin. Hang it over here. 2. Hang it right here. And that's 3. I hang it over here. Just like that. Now you can see it's gone. All 3. Over here I actually had 1. You can hear it here. There's 2 right over here. And the third one, sometimes it's hard to get, but see if I can get it. There it is. Now if I take the 3 coins like this, I'm just going to place it into my hand like this. See, I have the hook. The hook coin is actually, this is the hook. So there's the hook. Now if I take the hook, show you my hand's otherwise empty, right? Now I can actually just grab all the coins out of the air invisibly, and I can just hook them, keep them hanging on the hook. So this is the idea for this routine. This is a very special routine.